Hi everybody, and welcome. Today I have the JBL speaker, and I'm going to tell you how you can easily pair the speaker with your MacBook. At first you have to bring your cursor and click on this Bluetooth icon at the top of your screen. Here, go into Bluetooth settings. If you don't have your Bluetooth icon here, you have to click on the settings here, system settings on the bottom of your screen, and enter Bluetooth. Here, now we have to enable Bluetooth, and we have to now turn on our speaker. And now we have to enter Bluetooth pairing mode, clicking on our Bluetooth icon. Now we have to click connect here in our devices to our speaker connect. Now we are connected. Goodbye!